Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today's video I will be sharing a Valentine's Day gift unboxing. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that every year my girl Melanie over at the channel Living Luxuriously for Less, we do an annual Christmas gift exchange, and we usually do the unboxing on YouTube. Well, this year was a little bit different due to the pandemic and things like that. She handmade her gift, at least one of the gifts that I know of, for me. And with the post office having all of these delays with getting packages mailed out, she didn't want her gift to get lost in the shuffle, and she wanted to make sure that I received it. So we decided to exchange our gifts after the Christmas holiday, and we still wanted to do the unboxing, so we decided to save our gifts until Valentine's Day and do a Valentine's Day Christmas unboxing. So this year we decided to put the focus on things that you need. So she told me everything that she was going to get me this year was something that I needed. So let's get started with the unboxing. So the first item, she actually sent me a text link and told me to go to Best Buy to pick up this gift. And my first gift is this Sun Pack vlogging kit. It's an ultimate vlogging kit. Now this kit has a ring light, a microphone, a stand where you can actually set up your iPhone and camera. And she definitely knows that I needed this because all the years I've been doing YouTube, I've never purchased a proper ring light or proper lighting equipment in general. My setup is so bootleg and makeshift. It kind of looks like this. And so I thought this was a wonderful gift because this is something I definitely need. Now here is my second gift. I know what it is. I believe I've been waiting over a year for this gift. It's, as you all know, Melanie. She is a pastor's wife, and she is a praying woman. And if you ever need a prayer answered, you will call on Melanie. So many of you know that Melanie is a prayer warrior. I don't know if you watch her monthly confessions videos. And about a year ago, I asked her to I wanted her to give me a Bible. Now let me give you a little bit of backstory. I grew up in the church. I was, heavily involved in the church. It seems like in my childhood we were in church Sundays from, Sunday school like 8 o'clock in the morning to church service, then to evening service, so all day Sunday. Then we were there for Monday night Bible study, Wednesday night prayer. So grew up in the church, but I just felt as though the church can sometimes be a good place, and sometimes the church can, leave you a little bit damaged, worse off than you started. So as an adult, I kind of drifted away from attending church. And I told Melanie, hey, I really want to start getting my spiritual life back together. And I asked her what Bible does she use, and that I would like her to send me a Bible because I would trust her judgment. And she was so happy that I asked her that. She said, Carrie, I'm not only going to send you a Bible, I'm going to put together you a whole spiritual kit. You're going to love it. And I said, okay. And this was a year ago. And I told her, Melanie, it's been 6 months. Where's my Bible? I need some blessings. She said, Carrie, no, I'm working on it. You don't understand. It's not just a Bible. It's an entire program, an entire process I'm putting together for you. So I said, okay. And so she decided she was going to give it to me for Christmas. So that's what I'm thinking is in this box. Now, do you see how big this box is? So I'm assuming there is a ton of good stuff to help me out on my spiritual journey in here. So I'm going to open this box and see what's inside. Oh, I'm going to bring the camera around so you guys can see in the top of the box. How beautiful is this? We're going to take a look at this binder. I'm going to open it up, but let's for now finish seeing what's inside the box. Oh, It looks like she couldn't help herself. It looks like she threw in some sort of entertainment pieces. Let's see. Maybe I need it. You know, the theme was, you know, things that we need. Honey is just such a sweetheart. She has such a giving heart, a loving heart. Oh, how beautiful are these pieces. So it's like a hammered silver metal mixed with gold, and it looks like there's 3 nesting bowls, a large, a medium, and a small. How gorgeous is that? Looks like a little acorn. Oh, how pretty. And I have the Grace for the Moment Daily Bible. So I think this is the Bible that she uses. I told her I want the exact Bible that she uses and reads. She got me a 31 prayers for my husband. So I guess I'll be praying for my husband. Then I have a journal. It says be grateful, a be grateful journal. I guess I can journal my spiritual journey. So I'm just going to start from today and kind of move on day by day. And here is a pocket prayers, 40 simple prayers that bring peace and rest. And let me tell you, Melanie has a prayer for everything. I called her up not too long ago and said that my mom wasn't feeling too well and I needed to take her to the doctors. And Melanie said, okay, I'm going to send you over. I'm going to text you right over a prayer for sleeping, non-worrying. You say this prayer and it'll get you, and boom, right there. She had a prayer. I mean, this girl has a prayer for everything. And then here's one. God cares for you and you're safely in his hands. Is this a journal? Okay, so I guess these are a lot of prayers, promises from God for life's hard moments. And we all have those moments, I'm sure. Rest in hope, 90 devotions of God's comfort and care. Then we have 131 prayers for my wife. So I will be giving this one to my husband and hopefully he can pray over me. And then I have this journal here that says rejoice in the Lord always. This looks like it's something that's handmade. So I'm going to move the box out of the way and kind of take a look at the journals that she has handmade for me. So here is the first binder. It says rejoice in the Lord always. And it looks like this is a happy planner. I'm wondering if this is a spiritual happy planner. It says be still. So behind the first tab, it has room. Yep, it's a spiritual happy planner. Scripture, observation, application, and prayer. So I guess as you're reading your scriptures, you can write down how you're going to apply it and then what prayer you said. And let me go to the next tab. The next tab, let's see, it has a beautiful scripture on there. And it has sermon notes, so I'm assuming this tab is for when you attend church. Sermon notes and the study notes. Let's see. Oh, okay. And then on the back, loving well this week. I guess God, others, and me. And we have our daily readings. So I guess we would check off our daily reading, our daily prayer, and our daily gratitude for each day. And then they have a section down here for blessings this week and what I'm grateful for. So that's beautiful. So that's for the entire week. So each week has its first page and then the trackers on the back. The final tab, let's see what the final tab is. Live a quiet life and work with your hands. So it looks like, I don't know what we're supposed to be doing. Maybe I'm supposed to be drawing something. I don't know what these pages are for. This one here says prayers that availeth much, curated especially for Carrie. And I believe this binder is a collection of prayers that she has collected over many years. Prayers that she has said, prayers that she has gathered from different places. And I remember she told me, you know, some of these prayers, Carrie, you know, they're on scraps of paper that I've kept in, you know, she has like this prayer book that's just overflowing with all kinds of papers and things that she's used over the years, and she typed up all of those prayers to put in this binder for me. So now I have every single prayer that Melanie has probably said or, you know, given for specific situations, and she's typed them up because some of them are handwritten in her, you know, own handwriting in her prayer book, but she typed up all of these prayers especially for me to give me my very own Living Luxuriously for Less prayer book. So I just, you know, guys, I need a moment. Wow, guys, I really needed a moment. I got caught up for a minute because it's gifts like these that are just priceless, and you know, I couldn't have asked for a better gift. Melanie, she's just such a special person, such a special friend, and I am so glad that we were able to connect in life. She is just, you know, an amazing person, and you know, everyone needs a friend that can add value to their lives, and you don't know how that value is going to transpire, but just her caring about me, praying for me, not, you know, pushing things on me, but just being there to listen and being able to pour her heart into creating something, especially for me. I can't even find the right words to say thank you. This is just an awesome gift, a much needed gift, and you knocked it out of the park when you said you're going to give me what I need. And I really needed this. I asked you for, you know, I just asked you for a Bible, and you came and gave me a whole course in my spiritual journey. So I really appreciate you, Mel. You guys, make sure you head on over to her channel and check out what I got her. I don't think I made her cry, but you know, I'm sure she's going to enjoy the gift that I gave her this year. So that is my Valentine. Mel, you're my girl. Thank you so much, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye, guys.